Here's why your manifestation techniques will not work and the secret will not work until you learn this law of attraction technique. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and if you've been working on manifesting more money, love, happiness, and it hasn't happened yet, here's why. Let's dive right into the video. Alright, here's how most people manifest. I really want that money. Wait, has it happened yet? Wait, it's been 2 days. Does the law of attraction does it even work? I really want to attract my soulmate. 2 hours later, talking to your friends. There's no good guys out there. They're all a-hole. They're all jerks. That's how most people manifest. With an idea that if it doesn't happen in a certain amount of preconceived time that you've decided, then it must not be working. Most people come from a place of creativity to imagine and dream of what they want, but then they spend the rest of the time in a place of desperation about getting it and wondering if it's even going to happen, looking at the time, looking at the calendar, looking at, oh, has it happened yet? Oh, look at that person, they already have it. This must not be working. What if they have it and they took what I wanted? Does God, can you hear me right now? Hello? Hello? God? Please? Are you up there? That's how most people manifest. They're spending their time attached to it happening within either a certain bandwidth of time or a certain way that they've imagined that it's happening. Guess what? You have a very, 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 very powerful mind, but there's a power much greater than your mind at work. And sometimes what might happen is the mind says it needs to happen in this time frame, where you expect to happen into this time frame. And what happens is, out of that, you create a scarcity consciousness. In the Bible it says, to those who have, more will be given, and to those that have not, even that which they have. What's the rest of it say? We'll get a soda? Pizza? No, it says, even those that have not, even that which they have is going to be taken away from them. It's going to be taken away. It's going to be gone. What the heck does that mean? It means that if you're in a consciousness of have not, of not sure, of total doubt, of worrying about time, of wondering if it will ever happen, you create an energy of scarcity. Every thought that you have is just like a radio dial that you turn the little knob on the radio station that switches a channel. What is a channel? It's an energy frequency. Every thought that you have is just like that, and it broadcasts a frequency to the universe. And the frequency that most people broadcast after they get all worked up into a tizzy, this is what I want, and I'm so excited about it, and here's what I'm going to do, and da-da-da-da-da-da. Then they get into a tizzy about it, and they go, hey God, it's been 2 weeks. I don't think it's happened. And then they tell other people that it hasn't happened yet. Don't tell anyone it hasn't happened yet. Do not dwell in the energy at all of impossibility, because those who have not, even that which they have is going to be taken away from them. As soon as you move into an energy of accepting a reality of limitations, even if you think it's logical or rational, what happens is you continue to heighten that energy. Let go of it. You don't need it. You want it, but you don't need it. Like, one of the best for one of my a previous really large business deal that was very valuable to my career. I went into the meeting, and this is what I said. In a nutshell, without giving away all the details of it, it was something like this. Yeah, things are going great in my life, and I'd really like to explore this thing, but I don't need it at all, and I can keep doing what I'm doing, and everything's going to be great, and I'm going to reach more and more and more people, and my business will continue to grow. I don't need it at all, but I'd really like to explore it. I wanted it, but I was totally detached from it happening. And guess what? I was in an energy of abundance. I had already, the Bible says, to seek the kingdom of heaven within. But what does that even mean? It's not like it's going into heaven and like saying, hey, God, can you let me through the gates? And God's like, okay, I'll let you in, son. No, that's not how it is. The kingdom of heaven is a place within yourself where you feel total abundance in this third dimensional reality, where you feel a sense of opulence, joy, freedom, contentment. You've connected to that, who you are, and finding peace here in this moment. And so everything else is a cherry on top. You imagine it, you visualize it, you work for it, you have desires, you embrace those desires, but you're not fretting it if it doesn't happen in 2 weeks or 2 months or 2 years, because you know that you already feel a deep sense of peace. And you know if not this, then something greater. So I walked into that meeting and in my head I'm like, if not this, something greater. Yo, what's up, man? So, this would be fantastic. I'd love it, but I don't really care if it doesn't happen. There's no skin off my nose. My things, everything I'm doing is going to keep getting bigger and better. And I know that, but I'd like to explore this. Guess what? They ate that up. They were like, oh, yeah, let's do it. Let's work together. Let's do it. And I got all the terms, everything that I wanted out of it. It wasn't a gimmick. It was the truth. Part of me really needed it or really wanted it to happen. But I knew in my heart of hearts, I knew I didn't need it. And I knew if I came from that place of abundance, more would be given to me, because those that have, more is given. Let go of it. Know what you want. Work for it. Take action towards it. Imagine it every single solitary day. Step into the reality of it already happening, but then forget about it. Don't let your eyes deceive you. Don't let your eyes try to tell you it's not going to happen or hasn't happened yet, or that you need to start thinking about the fact that it hasn't happened. Because what happens is we get the stimulus, the information that our eyes tell us, and then we react mentally and in our brain to that. And we say, oh, the money's not here yet. Oh, the client's not here yet. Oh, the relationship isn't here yet. Oh, there's no good guys out here. Oh, there's no good girls. Oh, money's really hard to come by. And we respond, we react to the world outside of us. If you want to move mountains, like when Jesus was like, yo, mountains, just part a little bit. Just get out of the way a little bit. He wasn't doing it from a place of, I don't think this can happen. He was in his mind, it had already happened, and he was speaking with a state of certainty into existence. And that's what allowed him to alter reality. And it's a metaphor for your own life. Whatever mountains you want to move, you can move them. Know what you want, but let go of it. You don't need it. And when you come from that place of not needing it, you have a dangerous level of freedom. How many times have people lost a romantic relationship early on in the dating phase because one person needed it so bad that it came off as weird? You're like, dude, lady, whatever, you're creeping me out. Because they came on way too strong. And the energy of the universe is the same way. Affirm what you want. Know that you can have it. And know that if not this, then something better. So comment that down below. If not this, then something better. Comment that down below, and that's the takeaway for today's video. If not this, then something better. If not this, then something better. Comment that down below. If not this, then something better. And remember, download my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. It'll train your subconscious mind for success and abundance. So while you're waiting for what you want to manifest, get rid of your negative limiting beliefs. jakeshypnosis.com. It's free. I've used it for 7 years, this exact one. Over 200,000 people now have used this hypnosis. Every day I get a crazy, story of somebody changing their life. Why? Because when you learn to identify with a new habitual thought pattern, your whole life changes. jakeshypnosis.com. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there. Even if you've already subscribed, hit that button right over there. That button is what notifies you for new videos. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification. Like this video to support the channel and comment down below. If not this, then something better. I believe that life has something amazing in store for you today. So if something amazing has already happened to you, it's happened during the course of this video, or it happens in 2 hours, come back and comment the amazing thing that happens to you and inspire everyone else in this community. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. I genuinely, truly appreciate you, and have a great day.